Hello, everybody. We're just going to take just a couple seconds here to try to get more people jumping on here. But today, we got some pretty cool stuff that we're going to be talking about during this segment. So we're just giving everybody a second here to jump on. But, you know, we're going to get with this program right now. So basically, hey, everybody, welcome to the 3-inch truck lift kit suggestions that's going to help you get from 3 to 6 inches additional clearance fast on your vehicle. This is John from Use Basic Motorsports Performance Parts with a brand new truck lift kit Facebook Live segment of Ask the Racer. This is for every truck and off-road enthusiast who wants to get some very useful benefits in addition to looking badass and get from 3 to 6 inches additional clearance without having to significantly transform the functional operation of your vehicle. I have received a number of questions surrounding this lift kit question from my email at support@usebasicmotorsports.com. So I figured, might as well, what a heck of an opportunity to talk about a great topic and the opportunity to do some research and talk about this topic today with you folks. So basically, here is basically the scoop. We're going to talk about suggestions and recommendations. So, suggestion base number 1. It's really not all about looking great. Doesn't hurt. Everybody likes to look great. And you like to be, when you're driving down the road, you want to be up there big and showing and being proud of what you got. But while many individuals do lift their trucks purely for appearance's sake, the major reason to do this is to boost ground clearance and to also get the body structure and also differential higher, more room off the ground. This extra clearance allows you to mount larger tires. In order to do that, you need as much clearance as possible in your wheel wells to achieve this process, which in turn gets everything up higher, which is what it's all about, off the ground to achieve more overall ground clearance. There is no genuine advantage to a lot more ground clearance if you're going to utilize a truck for mostly city or your vehicle for mostly city and highway driving. Actually, it may harm efficiency by doing this. Nevertheless, lifting provides numerous advantages for off-road use, including greater breakover, approach, as well as departure angles on those nasty off-road trails that you're going to be on. The taller tires get the differential higher off the ground, lowering the threat of damage from obstacles, and not to mention, all 4 tires will gain maximum traction due to the lifted suspension. So there's a lot of pluses. Now, you may ask, what types of lifts are there? Is there other methods? Well, basically there's 2 methods. You can have both primary techniques for raising a truck are by doing a suspension lift or a body lift. So it's suspension or body lift. Both methods can be utilized separately or with each other to obtain just the right height that you're looking for. We carry at Use Basic Motorsports Performance Parts a number of these different products like Airlift, Daystar products, Ready Lift, Performance Accessories, Skyjacker, Energy Suspension, and of course Rancho. With a suspension lift, the wheels are lowered from the framework and also can be found in different varieties such as coil springs, bushings, leaf spring, shackerless to full-on complete suspension lift kits. Going with a suspension lift, you will need to remember that you will need longer shock absorbers. Also, you're going to have to verify drive shaft lengths as well as various other parts to make up the positioning angles. And also, you're going to have to most likely increase your brake lines because you're stretching everything apart, literally. Now, suggestion number 3. The downside of lifting the vehicle. Lifting your truck offers some really valuable advantages in addition, obviously, to looking badass, but yet, prior to executing this upgrade, know that you are considerably changing the functionality and operation of your vehicle. Handling is definitely going to take a hit to a certain extent, as a truck's center of gravity is going to be much greater, much higher. This will additionally call for driving, obviously, at a little bit slower speeds, particularly while turning, as the higher the truck is, you're going to have a situation to lessen the stability as you make turns while you're cornering. This is especially critical to bear in mind when that you're going to need to do a maneuver swiftly in an emergency situation. But as the danger for a rollover is higher due to the higher center of gravity. So you got to take that always into mind when you're doing this, and change the driving habits you have due to the situation you have. So here's the bottom line for all you truck and off-road enthusiasts. The option to lift your vehicle or not is inevitably going to boil down to what you are making use of the vehicle for, as well as what you intend to get out of raising it. The benefits of a higher clearance will probably surpass the downside if you are an avid off-roader. But if your vehicle is mostly a family vehicle or a commuter, after that, those downsides may not be worth the risk. But ultimately, remember, at the end of the day, the final decision is yours. If you do determine to go on and lift your truck, take additional precautions when operating. It is a guarantee to guarantee your security and safety. As well as check everything beneath routinely, obviously, to check for wear and tear and stop damage that may occur. But basically, this is just something you simply need to get used to with the extra height that you put in there. Now, it's best to start with a smaller fit to make the change less complicated. But remember, with appropriate care and also maintenance, your lifted truck gives many advantages to the off-road journey hunter. No doubt about that. The point here is that you can get some very useful benefits in addition to looking badass. And I gotta say, you're looking good. When it's lifted, you are looking good without having a significant transformation of functional operation of your vehicle. So, and then, if you're, again, like I'm saying, if you are a truck and off-road enthusiast whose goal is to put the whole process on steroids, if you will, don't lose a single minute. Go for it. Head on over and check out our many lift suspension kit selections. We have body lifts and suspension kits along with the needed components to make your vehicle into what you want it to do. This makes it easy for you to get some very useful benefits in addition to looking great without having to significantly transform the functionality and operation of your truck. So hey, again, at the end of the day, it's what your need is, what you're looking for your truck to do. If you're an avid off-roader and you're going up to those nasty trails, by all means, this is something that you definitely need to possibly take a look at. But no matter what you do, we have all the parts that you need at Use Basic Motorsports Performance Parts. Listen, a couple things ahead of time. Please come check the site out. We currently have we have what we call Discount Madness, where we're getting 20% off of 21 brand companies. That's 20% off of 21 companies. We also currently have a K&N filter promotion, GT Performance, Royal Purple, and Magna Flow exhaust, all at 15%. Now, we will be changing a few of these tomorrow and going to a different deal. We're going to go to, I think we're going to get a 10% off of batteries tomorrow, among other things. So, and we also, obviously, is that depending on how much you purchase at any one time, we also have a 10, 20, 30, and $100 off of your total purchase. And this month, we're definitely going to be giving away our $35 and our $50 free promotion gift certificate to 2 lucky winners. I'm telling you, it pays to come to usebasicmotorsports.com. All you have to do is log on, box will pop up, you subscribe, you just put your email in there, hit join, you'll be in there for all of the cool promotions, newsletters, new product kickoffs, everything you can imagine. Another way you can do it is you go all the way down to the bottom of the homepage. You'll see a cool little box that says subscribe. Again, simply put your name or your email in there, click join, and you'll be in there for these great promotions. We're doing a promotion every month, everything from swag, cool swag. We're going to have t-shirts here coming shortly, and hats and other things. But we're also going to do gift certificates as well as some product giveaways also. So please don't hesitate. Come on out and check out usebasicmotorsports.com and look at the website and check out all of the cool parts. And we appreciate everybody who sends their comments in to us. We want to thank everybody. Keep the comments, the questions coming in. We love them. We're going to use them during Ask the Racer. And we're going to use other different comments and questions during promotions and other things going forward. Some cool news coming out here shortly. I'm not going to give you any information on it. Nope, not going to yet. But the Use Basic Motorsports racing team is going to be rolling out some pretty cool stuff, some news with that. So hang tight, come on over, check us out. We're on all the platforms. Love us, like us, follow us. We're on YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Hey, listen, we appreciate everybody out there. Thanks to everybody for all your help, and thanks to everybody who has supported us so far. We're working on growing bigger and bigger, so come on, check us out. Everybody, thank you very much. Take care. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.